Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your drop order. Okay, so before cancellation I want to tell you some details so you can see on your screen. If you are going to cancel your order, make sure you can cancel your order only within hour after placing your order. If you are, you can say like if you are not going to cancel your order within an hour, you are not able to cancel your order very easily. You need to make efforts, a lots of efforts. Okay, and one thing I want to also tell you, like if you have used any kind of coupons and all, then you are not able to reactivate your coupons if you are going to cancel your order. Okay, your order is only for applicable, your coupons is only applicable for your on a order only once. Okay, so if we talk about like how to cancel your order, so you need to cancel your order by using two methods. The first one is via contact with the customer support team, and the another method is via, you can select email. Okay, so the first method I'm going to tell you, you need to visit on their official website and you need to click on their, you can say like help center page. Like over here you can see this is the official website, and you can see over here drop.com is the official website. And when you visit on their official website, you need to scroll down and you need to click on help center, and once you click on help center, they will redirect you to on this window. Like over here I want to show you, like when you click on help center, you will see there is an option like chat support. You need to click on chat support and you need to type on how to cancel my order. Okay, and once you type like how to cancel my order, they will ask you your email id, your order number. Okay, and you need to provide your email id, your order number. You need to click on send. Okay, and once they receive your details, they will verify your order. If your order is eligible for cancellation, then they will cancel your order, and if not, then they will guide you what they can do for you. Okay, so this is the first method, and if this method is not working for you, so in that case you can also send an email. The email format you can see like over here, this is the email, you can select format. You need to compose this email like request to cancel a purchase order. You need to provide these kind of details like I would like to request to purchase a cancellation of purchase order number this and place and this and this and this. You can read these details and you can compose an email. And once you compose this email, you need to ask in the end like proof of cancellation of order. And once you complete each and everything, you need to send this email at this email address support@drop.com. Okay, and once they receive your email, they will reply you very soon. If possible, they will cancel your order. Okay, so these are the two methods by which you can cancel your order very easily. So if you're facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.